Right now I'm here in Townhall Sydney. It's really pretty. I just came from Opera House and this is the next spot I just explored. I'm on a solo travel and it's pretty amazing out here. Sydney. I can see a lot of birds there on the ground, and if you see around, here is a big building that looks really old, century old. I don't know, maybe older than that or maybe younger than that. That is pretty small out there though. It's real fun, and yeah, here it's kind of nice. You can see a lot of students. Maybe this is a school or this is there is a school. It's called St. Andrew's Cathedral School there. So again, some bunch of students coming out here right in the heart of Sydney. Super amazing, super interesting. It's kind of fun, real interesting. And the very classical music is going on in the background. That makes everything even more interesting. I'm just amazed by seeing the varieties of birds here in Sydney. I'm familiar with some of the pigeons, but there are some unique pigeons like these. You can see white ones. They're superb. For me, they are very, very unique. I don't know where does this downstairs leads to. Almost shows nothing. This is the town hall, and you can get a light train if you can have one from your place, depending where you're from, and you can always come in light train here. Otherwise, you can take another train to Circular Quay. I went to Circular Quay in a regular train and then came here in light train. Super amazing, super beautiful. Everything so amazing.